Does knowing the size of each page allow you to figure out how many pages there are? No, of course not. Eliminate A and D. Does knowing the average number of words per page allow you to figure out the number of pages? No. Eliminate B. What if we knew both? So I know on average how many words fit on each page, and I also know the size of each page. Now can I tell the number of pages in the book? No. If I knew the total number of words in the book, and I know the number of words on average per page, then I could infer the total number of pages. But I don't know the total number of words in the book. All I know is the average number of words per page and the size of each page. So with just those two pieces of information, there's no way that I could possibly infer how many pages are in the book. It could be a very small book, it could be a very big book, I have no idea. And therefore the correct answer here is E. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.